In this video, I will show you how to earn $100 per day by watching YouTube videos, which is a new strategy to earn free PayPal money this year 2021. So make sure you stay tuned and watch all the way until the end. Before we start, welcome to our channel where we teach you how to make money online. The simplest way, make sure to subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online you will be updated. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment down below. Now let's get started. Step number 1. Grab your mobile phone. Step number 2. Click play and watch a short YouTube video. And step number 3. Enjoy money. When you watch one video, you are going to earn up to $3. And every time you watch 20 videos, you are going to earn $60. This is a beginner-friendly and 100% free method. You don't need to pay anything in order to earn money. This method is available worldwide. So no matter what country you're in, I want you to go on this website, gg2u.org. So I will show you how to sign up and teach you what videos to watch in order to earn the most money. And don't forget, I have a special bonus for you at the end of this video, so make sure to stick around and keep watching all the way until the end. Now let's get started. This website is 100% free and you don't need any investments to get started with this. You can earn money from this website by taking surveys, watching videos, playing games, and more. But we are going to focus on watching videos because this is the simplest and most paying thing that we can do on this website. You sign up for an account, you are going to receive a $1 bonus. To do so, just enter here your first name, email address and choose a username, then create a password. And select country. So once you're done with that, click on this box right here after reading the privacy policy and then just hit the sign up button. This website has many different payment options that you can use. The best part is this website offers really high payout rates. You can read it here that you can earn 65 to 85%. So once you're done signing up, they will take you to this page. As you can see here, they will credit you $1 for every 100 points you earn. Once you reach $7, you can automatically cash out your money through PayPal, Bitcoin, or gift cards. Now log into your account. This is what the dashboard looks like. You can also see here the earning potential that you can get by doing the offers. You can check this section right here and see the companies with their offers which you can do on this website. These are some of the best companies around the world that are really legit. So you can do these offers and earn a lot of money. These offers are only available for a limited time. So try to do them as soon as possible. So to earn money by watching videos, you need to click on this section right here where it says videos, and that's going to take you to this page. As you can see here, for every 200 points you earn, you'll receive a silver token which will add $1 to $3 to your account balance. And what I like about this is you can watch different kinds of videos such as viral videos, food, gaming videos, and many more. So all you have to do is click on this button right here which will then take you to this page where you can watch the video. Now, as I've promised, here's the bonus tips for you my viewers and subscribers. Watch all the videos from all the different categories at the same time. Watch all the available videos from food, viral, gaming, and many more. To do so, open all the browsers in a new tab, then you can watch different types of videos at the same time and even have more devices. So if you have extra phones and laptops, you can watch the videos through multiple devices at the same time. You don't need to actually watch the videos. You can just run them in the background and earn money without doing anything. That is exactly how to earn free PayPal money by watching YouTube videos. And now if you want to earn even more money, please check the first link on the details given below to learn how to earn free bitcoins using the best Bitcoin mining app for beginners 2021 this year. Whoever without can experience the past. Yes, it is possible, and I will show you exactly how to get there in that video. Check this out. Thanks a lot for watching, and be sure to like notification to drop for another subscription so you don't miss any new material. As always, I'll see you in the next few videos.